Hey there, so how to log in to ChatGPT on mobile? In case you're using it for first time or you just heard about it, want to try it out. So yeah, it can be a bit confusing. So here, first of all, you just need to go to this website, openai.com, which is the like the company which developed ChatGPT. And then here you have a little section of ChatGPT, and then you can just tap try ChatGPT. And then from here you will just be redirected to another web address. There is no official app from ChatGPT. There are like plenty of third-party apps which are just using API. But here you can just tap login, and then if you tap login, what will happen, you will just be redirected to authentication page. And here you have three options basically. You can log in with your email address, you can log in with Google or Microsoft account. So usually I just proceed with Google, and I don't have that, like I'm not using Microsoft that much, and with Google is a bit faster for me than email address. Just tap continue with Google, and then you just have like the standard process of login with Google account as you have anywhere else. You just tap continue with Google, and yeah, you will be able to access this ChatGPT. Yeah, so that's basically it. Of course, you will access free version, which is a bit limited, and then if you want to upgrade, you will be able to upgrade inside of the app.